In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your payroll settings in Xero. This will enhance your experience and streamline payroll processing, saving you both time and effort. Now let's get started by logging into your Xero account. First, head over to the Xero accounting software website and click on the login option. You will be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you double check these details to avoid any login issues. Once your credentials are entered correctly, hit log in. Now that you're logged into the Xero dashboard, your next step is to direct your attention to the Payroll tab. You'll find it in the main navigation menu. Click on it to reveal more options, and then select Payroll Settings to start configuring essential details for your organization. Here, you will need to input your organization's details. This includes all necessary contact information and other relevant data. Subsequently, you should attach your primary bank account to handle all payroll transactions seamlessly. Now take a careful look at the accounting codes, ensure they are correctly set up for wages payable, PAYG tax and superannuation. This step is crucial to ensure that funds are allocated accurately and in compliance with financial regulations. Once you're satisfied with your entries, remember to click Save to prevent any data loss. Moving on, it's time to set up your pay frequencies. This involves defining how frequently your employees will receive their paychecks. Click on the Add button to include a new pay frequency. Then select the desired frequency for payroll disbursements, whether weekly, bi-weekly or monthly, based on your organizational needs. Assign a name to this frequency, set the start date of the pay period and specify the first payment date. After completing these fields, finalize your entries by clicking Add. Now let's manage superannuation, which is essential for retirement planning and statutory compliance. Under the payroll settings, click on Superannuation to define contributions. Here you'll want to add superannuation funds by selecting Add Superannuation Funds. It's vital to ensure your setup aligns with legal contribution requirements, so take the time to verify all details. Make sure you have the correct superannuation accounts in place. Once you've reviewed everything carefully, hit the Add button to solidify these settings. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up your payroll in Xero. By following these steps, you not only ensure compliance, but also make your payroll management efficient and hassle-free. Now you're all set to manage payroll with confidence within Xero. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit these steps if you need clarity in the future.